In the silence, searching for a heart that will love it, longing for a child that will give it their all, give it all. He wants it all.